Polk Icebreakers, take 1.
Polk Icebreakers, take 3.
Take 5. I've always wanted to do that. I found my job at Polk through LinkedIn, actually. I applied through LinkedIn and then a recruiter reached out, went through the interview process, and now here I am.
I got to Polk through a recommendation of a coworker and told me they thought I'd be good at it and took a shot.
When I hired on at Polk, we were a much smaller company. I was one of a team of 4 virtual construction designers, and now I lead that group, and we've built up to a team of 31.
I got my job through a career fair, so I met them at the career fair, and then it just kind of spiraled uphill from there.
The best thing about working for a subcontractor is that you specialize in one specific aspect or multiple specific aspects rather than just having a general understanding over everything. We get that also, but we do understand the details down to how the systems are installed.
My favorite aspect of my job working in the industrial group is every single day is different. I don't know what I'm walking into every day. I don't know where I'm going to be every day, and I get new challenges every day.
Virtual construction is at Polk is we're the people who help make the plan for our field teams to go install. So we draw, design, and coordinate all of the heating and air conditioning systems that we're going to build on a project.
Culture is really important in a workplace because everyone has to collaborate with each other, everyone has to work together, and if you're not working for the same goal, then it's not going to work.
The culture at Polk is teamwork, it's supporting each other, it's friendships, it's family. It's one of the best reasons I get to come to work here every day.
Memorable project for me was the Choctaw Casino expansion in Durant, Oklahoma. Really got to know the team on a personal level and had real success.
My favorite project at Polk so far was probably the Statler Hotel renovation. It was a big project, difficult project, historical project in Dallas, and we had an awesome team. And that's the best jobs are when you have the best team and the best teamwork.
Every year we have a Christmas party at the end of the year, and I got onboarded right before it, and I got to help assemble everything for that project. So it was super fun and super inviting, getting to see everyone's families and friends getting to join.
My favorite hobbies outside of work, probably my favorite of those is golf. I love golf. It's a challenge and it's a game you can play your whole life.
My walk-up song would be Cruel Summer by Taylor Swift. I got 2 girls at home, so they'd probably get a kick out of that one.
I think my favorite movie would probably be La La Land, just because I like an unexpected twist at the end.
In 10 years, I see myself not so much managing projects, but more so leading people, whether that's running an operating group or being a division manager.
In 10 years, I'd like to be a group manager. I've kind of trained a few assistant project managers over the years, and they've all been pretty successful. And I would like to see a couple of project managers working for me and running a group doing the kind of work that I like to do, which is kind of quicker, fast-paced work.
In 10 years, I see myself having all my kids in school, sending one of them off to college, leading a great team at Polk, and hopefully being the best leader and version of myself that I can be.